level, and again it comes means it's a fake breakout. No, after that, for what I have to wait or
After a breakout, after a second time breakout.
fake breakouts. Yeah, fake breakout. I mean, again, the price has to come to that level, and if it get rejection, I
Okay,
can go with.
now you can recognize the fake breakouts. Yeah, is it clear? Not clear. Fake breakouts are clear or not clear?
Not good, sir. I think is
Well,
same problem.
Okay. Fake breakout is still not clear. And SK, hello SK, do you hear me?
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Yes.
Uh,
Yesterday you told me that there is something in the train. Still, I cannot understand. Okay.
yes, sir.
And only this problem or any other problem with the patrons or SNR levels or something else are detecting any seller bias zone. Or only problem with the trend. Trend is problem or anything other problem.
sir, can you once
Uh,
again explain that demand zone,
uh,
sir?
Still, I did not
Zones.
just I'm collecting the questions. Okay. After that, I will
yes, sir.
Yes,
one by one I will explain it.
okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
my problem, I will tell you, sir. Previously, I used to trade with seller's zone and buyer's zone.
Yes.
That was clear, sir. After joining your classes, I mean, I'm taking lessons from you.
Mhm.
These engulfing patterns, piercing line, and 50% level, color changing. I'm started practicing it, sir.
Mhm.
Uh, After doing this, I'm getting some confusion because I need practice, more practice.
Yes.
Uh, so after that, I started trading. I'm getting losses because I thought that I need some more practice. So at the same time, I used to trade better in ranging market, but not in trending line, trend
Okay.
markets. Sir.
Okay.
In trend market, it's very difficult for me to find out what is going to happen in next candle. I mean,
Okay.
I don't have any previous history.
Yes, yes,
That's the
because
problem.
you have no the past price actions like in any SNR level, any support level, any range. Because that's why you are confused. That maybe next candlestick goes up or maybe next candlestick goes down. That's why these are the doubts. And the ranging
Yes, sir.
market, every line is clear that now this line will be touching from this level and goes down. So you have many more idea about the support and resistance. But in the trend market, when you find the any bullish candle and there is no price action in the past, so that's why you are confused that the now price going up. Is it possible or it's going down? So this is the doubt I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's not a big problem. It's just 5 minute uh, explanation. I will give you. You will understand. No problem. And Shanwaz, another. You are from
Yes,
your
sir. Sir,
side.
yes, sir. Sir, I have one or two doubts, sir. First, when candles sir break the SNR level or row
Hmm.
number, so next candle sir again note rejection and again pull back.
Yes.
So sometime I am confused about that.
Yes.
How we take the trade in this area about breakout, sir.
Yes, it means you have a confusion about the breakout when candle touching or when candle retracement and appearing a retracement candle and sometime candle touching and going up like or going down
Yes,
something like that. Okay.
yes, sir. I see yesterday most of time when candle break out, the next candle again come to
Hmm.
opposite side. So
Hmm.
not rejection. So I don't know if this is a fake breakout or real breakouts.
Understand.
Yes, sir.
So, from your side, I got four questions about the previous study. The one question about the chart reading, one member is aware about all the concepts, all patterns, everything he is clear, but he cannot combine the study on the chart. It means when he does not understand the context of the chart. So this is the main thing when you know about the 50 rules, but you are not able to apply these 50 rules on the context of the chart and do not understand about the chart. Then now price is moving up, moving down. Where from I start, where from I leave. Okay, this is the one. Uh, I think this that was the question which I understand. Okay, and next the question asked from me that fake breakout. We are still not recognize where fake breakout can come and how to know the fake breakout. That was the question. Okay. And third question, that the trend, there was no price action in the past, so how we can analyze that the market will go up or market will go down. So that was the third question. And fourth question about the breakout, when the breakout again happened, and sometimes retracement candle we found, and sometimes candle rejected from the level and goes up. So there is a doubt. So how we understand that the retracement candle can appear, or the rejection can be appear, and there is a doubt. Okay. So my understanding about the question is right. Whatever you ask from me, is this what I explained now, that these things you want to ask from me? Yes, SK, you clear? That was the explanation you want?
From my side, yes, sir.
Okay. And okay, now I'm going to chart analysis I will give you at the end. And first I give you the breakouts and the breakouts rejection. Second, I will give you explanation about the trend, and third I will come to the chart. Okay. First of all, breakout. So concentrate on my explanation, that you will understand, because now it's going to end sessions in these days now. I think you must be clear about these levels. Look at fake breakout always happen in the zone. Okay, any zone. Zone what? If you find the doji, any doji, the level of this doji and the level of this doji, when price come to these levels, the 70 to 80% chances for the fake breakout is happening in these levels. Okay. Look at how when price goes up and come to this level, there is a chances of fake breakout. The next price must maybe go up. The one example is here. Okay. Look like that and come to this level and touch this level and goes up. Why this pattern does not appear? Why the retracement candle does not appear? So the next question will be, I'm combining here. The answer I'm combining here. So understand you both about this level. If you are in the trend and trend is strong, at that time you will not get the retracement candle. If you are in the ranging market, we are coming from the ranging market. Here the ranging market is running on. Okay, a breakout happen here. Look like that, a breakout happen. At that time, you will find the retracement candle. Most of the time in the ranging market, you will find the retracement candle are in the healthy trend. What is a healthy trend and what is a strong trend? Look at now. When price is coming from downward to upward, and you see there is a 30 to 40 minute candles moving like that. Reversal pattern appear, reversal, 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 reversal. No found the pullbacks. When you do not found the pullbacks, this is the sign of you will not get these retracement candle. At that level, you only found the rejections. When trend is strong, when trend is healthy, look like that. This is the healthy trend. This is not a strong trend. And when trend, so two things is there. One is slope. If you find the price is running in the slope, and if you find the price is running in the steep. When you find the steep, you will find the retracement candles. When you find the slope, you only find the rejections. So Shanawaz, do you understand what is slope and what is steep?
Yes, sir.
Slope is price is smoothly moving to upward, slowly, 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 slowly. Steep is price is moving in this direction. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And in this direction, price is moving look like that. Sometimes we found the retracement candle here. Sometimes we does also we do not find the retracement candle here. There is depend on the area. If there is small area, so the maybe change is goes down like that. Maybe, but if there is no area, just a small breakout. So in this area, how can be adjusted? In this area, can a retracement can be adjusted from here? Because this is a very
No,
small
sir.
area. So if you
Okay.
find a small area, then retracement candle you will not find. Okay? If you found very look at like if there is a breakout, so there is the area. This is a space. So in this space, maybe one candle found because if this candle start from here, it goes here. So there is a more chances to this candle close in this area. But
Okay, sir.
when you found no area, no space, so where candle does it take place? So there is no space. So candles what want? Candles want price what space. So there is no space. So what candle will do? When candle come to this level, this resistance or support line push down here because it's too much clear, too much near. That's why these candles are going down. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
So when you find the space on the breakout, you wait for the retracement candle, and when you find no space, so it's clear that there is
Okay, sir.
no yes.
One doubt. Sir, if the next candle cross the same level which break the level, so can we trade for call?
If next level is break this again breakout happen again wait for the rejection or retracement.
Yes,
When
yes,
again
sir. If
when a new breakout happen,
yes, sir.
same scenario repeat, same rule you will
Okay, sir.
repeat. Okay, it's
Okay,
necessary that every breakout you start from the ABC. Okay,
okay, sir.
if I say these are the rules of the breakout. A is equal to breakout. Okay. B is equal to wait for 1 minute to price go back. C is equal to closing of the candle. So ABC. When a breakout happen again, follow the ABC. When breakout happen again, follow the ABC. You don't start from the
Okay,
B,
sir.
you don't start from the C. Always start from the ABC of the breakout.
Okay, sir.
It means you
Okay,
always follow the same rule. Understand?
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Thank
these
you,
are
sir.
the areas. And now the fake breakouts. So Raj, if you found these areas look like that, a range where the price is happening, where a price is going in the consolidation market, and a consolidation market appeared, a range appeared of the two candles or one candle green, one candle uh, uh, bullish, one candle bearish. So look like some uh, consolidation market. So at that time, a fake breakout can happen. And the next, I teach you before that if you find this candle and you find this candle on the bottom, look like that or something engulfing, something like that, and you create a seller zone or buyer zone. Okay. So in these zones, these are the fake breakout can be happen on these levels because there is a force of buyers. Where the force of buyers and sellers comes at that level, you find the fake breakouts. So now you can understand that where the force of buyers and sellers are equal, at that place we found the fake breakouts. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to the trend. So SK in the trend, there is something favoring us always. Which are these things? When you are coming, look like that. Look at now. The trend is going up. So who is in your favor? A trend is in your favor. Okay. Now where you can buy and where you can sell. In the uptrend, you only buy option. Okay, one thing clear. Now trend is in your favor. Okay, you only buy the buy option. Don't buy the call option or put option. Don't any put option. It's 100% restricted. No put option in these areas. In the strong uptrend, no put option. It's for the all or not for the SQ. It's for the all. If you trading in the uptrend, only buy option. If you follow the downtrend, only put option, no buy option. Then understand these two things. Do you understand now? In the uptrend, only buy option. In the downtrend, only put option. Okay. Where this buy option and where this put option? The buy option on the support level, where very fine, any support, only buy option on the support level. Trend will help you. 50% trend will help you. 30% support will help you. 80% you are now clear. And 10% your analysis. So you are 90% clear here. So 90% you have chance of winning. Only call option on the support level in the uptrend. Only call option in the support level in the uptrend. Only put option in the on the resistance in the downtrend. When you find these downtrend, only here, something if there is a here, if there is resistance here, if there is resistance here, there is resistance here. Only sell option, put option on the resistance in the downtrend. So now what I give you? Two method. One, trend is in your favor. Second, call option in the uptrend on the support level. Call uptrend support. Understand this formula. Call uptrend support. Okay. Put downtrend resistance. Now you can understand this formula. The trend is in your favor. Call option in uptrend on support, put option in downtrend on resistance. It will give you 90 to 95% winning ratio. You will forget the ranging market. When you understand this thing and when you practice on this thing, you will say, I leave the ranging market and I will never trade again the ranging market. In the ranging market, if your winning ratio is 80% and it's not increasing from the 80%, so leave the ranging market, come to the trendy market. It will give you 95% winning ratio. If you follow trend, call option in the uptrend on the support, put option in the downtrend on the resistance, and follow what thing? Trend, pattern, key level, retracement, rejection. This is your tool of trading. If you go for the trading and you forget the tools, then how you can work there? These are the tools and this is the strategy. You doing with tools this strategy, this work. So your winning ratio will be 95%. Do you understand something? I will save this picture for you. I will send you. Okay. So this is your tool, and this is your strategy. Okay. And today you practice it, and at the end you will, in the night you will give me results. So you will understand. Say you will 100% satisfied. Collect the tool, trend, pattern, key level, rejection, retracement. This is the strategy call option on the uptrend in the uh, support, put option down in the downtrend on the resistance. And this is all for you. You all people follow this rule. You will win. I guarantee you. Okay. Now the chart reading. I'm going to the chart reading. So today chart will read by the Hashim. Hashim will read the chart. Okay. Hashim will read the chart. Look at Hashim knows everything, but he don't have a way to read the chart. He knows everything. Now Hashim,
Yes.
come in front and talk with me. Okay. We don't know market is where. Okay. We open this market here. Now, Hashim, start from here. Okay. And do you find any patterns which I teach you before? From here to here, do you find any patterns?
Starting a piercing pattern.
Okay.
Starting.
1 minute. 1 minute. I will take it. Okay. Okay. And one by one.
Piercing.
After
Inverted
piercing,
hammer.
inverted hammer.
And spinning.
Okay.
Spinning dog. Spinning dog.
Spinning top. Okay.
Spinning dog. Elbow. Spinning dog.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Here.
Relay doji.
Okay. Again.
Bearish piercing dark cloud.
Dark cloud cover. Okay.
Morning star.
Okay.
Another morning star. I bear another evening star. Here.
Okay. Okay. This is evening star. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, and we're talking about the support and resistance. Tell me where is the support from here to here? Before find the color change SNR, where?
And above.
Here, is there, there, oh no, here, there. Do you know these things? Color change, do you know?
Yes. Yes.
It means you know the support and resistance, you know the patterns. Okay. You also know the patterns, you know the support. Do you know how these patterns is traded? Do you know rules? If we found the evening star, we wait for the retracement. If we found the piercing line, we wait for the 50% level. If we found the this inverted hammer, we wait for the closing price. That if there is any support or resistance level, we will follow. If you find these all things, do you follow? Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Okay. It means all concept you know. Okay. So this is the chart reading. It means you know the patterns, you know the levels, you know the up and downs because of the support and resistance level, a market going up and down because of the breakouts. Do you know everything? You told me there is a piercing, there is an inverted hammer, there is a support and resistance, there is a this inverted bearish hammer, this is a dark cloud cover, this is the evening star, this is the morning star, there is the evening star, there is a support and resistance level. It means you gave me all reasons, all things you gave me. So this is chart reading. There is no any other chart reading. This is the chart reading. Understand?
Yes.
But where we
But
start, where we trade. Okay.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay. Look at now. When you are here, you find this is not a piercing line pattern because the 50% level is here or
Yes,
above.
yes. Okay, okay,
Okay. This is the inside bar. Okay. So
okay.
if there is a piercing line pattern, if we assume that this is a piercing line pattern, plot the 50% line when price come to this level and touch and close again this level. That's a call option. Okay.
Yes.
When
Okay.
you find an inverted hammer, look at the past. If there is a resistance level in the past, okay. If there is no
Okay.
resistance level, place a call option. If the resistance, place a put option. You done.
Yes.
Wait for the candle. There is a this area, a breakout happen. Wait for the retracement candle. If this candlestick broke this area, go for the put option. If close above the area, go for the call option. Now wait. There is another support and resistance level. If this support and resistance level convince you that the price is close on the support level, resistance level, place for the call option. If cross, wait for the breakout and go for the breakout. Here a dark cloud cover, wait for the 50% level. It cross and close down. Now you can put option here. Here a morning star appear, 50% level is here. If there is found a retracement, a rejection, or something else, you place a call option or put option. Here you found something inside bar. If there is no key level, a breakout happen. So in the inside bar, there is a breakout, and this is there is no price action in the left. So this candlestick will go up from the key level. It will go up. Place the
Yes,
call option here.
sir.
Yes,
Okay, sir. Sir, yesterday you said the reversal rejection pattern.
reversal.
Rejection patterns
Yes.
methods.
We do not talk about that strategy. We just talking about the basic things. Okay, because in the 15 patterns I give you basic things. Those was that was the strategy. So instead now we, before, if we don't apply the basic patterns, then how we can apply the strategy? Do you know? We
Yes.
everything we will apply step by step. When we know the basic, when we know that how we can apply the basic concept, then we can apply the strategy. If we got the strategy and we don't know about the basic pattern, how we apply, so then how we can trade? So start from ABC. Everything want from the sequence. Understand? Before going to the strategy, before work on the basic things. After you can go the strategy. Don't follow, start from A and skip all the letters and go to the M. This is wrong thing. Understand?
Yes.
Follow from the ABC and run with the ABC. Market is running with their own way. Choose the market way. Don't choose your own way. You go with the market. What market say you? Market makes a pattern. It give a message that evening star appear, now market will go down. Dark cloud appear, market will go down. Morning star appear, market will go up. So market always give us a hint. When you use the computer, computer told you that now press this button, now press this button. If you want this, then press yes. If you want no, then no. Computer always say you that how to use the computer. When you do any action in the computer, every time computer give you hint. If yes, if okay, install, not, cancel, apply, these things computer give you hints. Same for the market give you hints. Piercing line pattern, recall the memory that how we can trade the piercing line, how much I wait, where I trade. Inverted hammer appear, recall the memory inverted hammer, how I can trade. Morning star appear, recall the memory, where morning star can be traded, how I can wait for the retracement, how I can put place the option, where the call option is right or put option is right here. When dark cloud cover appear, wait for the 50% level. Then this will give you the message that now you put the trade. Morning star, it will give you the level. In this level, you can start the trading. Evening star, it give you a level. At this level, you can start the trade. So every pattern give you an understanding that after any reversal pattern, wait for the retracement, wait for the rejection, then you trade. It means it gives you a way. So market is running with that way. So follow that way. Don't jump from one side to another side. Before basic, if you complete the basic, then you go to the strategies. Understand now?
Yes.
So this will come with the practice. It's not any idea. It's not anything that I will release my words from my mouth and you will understand and with this energy will convert to you. No, this is appear with the practice. If you practice, then these things will come into your trading style. So this thing want
Yes.
practice. So you have a study. Now you have a study. You have a clear concept. So now what need? It's need for your practice. So when you apply these
Yes.
things, then you will when the starting slowly apply one rule. Okay, and wait
Yes.
when you find another pattern, apply that on that place rule. Okay, when you 1 to 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, you practice like that, then your accuracy will increase. Then
Yes.
slowly, you will be familiar that you can trade in that way that every candlestick you will understand and you will take every candlestick trade. This is the way. This
Yes.
is the practice way.
Yeah.
But in the start, it will not come at the all things at not come in the same way. Slowly you will increase. Slowly you will uh, uh, increase your performance. How can look at when in the start when we read about the trend lines or support and resistance in the start, we don't find the levels rightly. Now look at how I am plotting the lines. In the 2 minute, I can plot all the lines here because of the experience, because of the practice. So when you practice about the support and resistance, your accuracy will increase. You immediately plot the lines. When your accuracy is high, then you know that time you don't need these lines. Your mind will say this is the support, this is the mind get the idea. Mind give you the idea. There is a support, there is a resistance, this is a line, this is something. That time you will don't need about these resistance support lines. So it's want is practice. After the study, it wants a practice. So make a practice, it will give you more accuracy in the trading. Understand?
Yes.
Everybody other this lesson, this explanation for all, not for only Hashim. It's this explanation for all. Okay, all of you uh, do like that. Understand? Okay. So now we are moving to the trend detection technique. There is a simple way. Okay, no any other thing. There is a simple way. Chart reading now I clear with the Hashim, because when I say this is the piercing line pattern, there is a line, there is a color change area, there is a round number, there is something, there is a morning star, there is a evening star. This is the chart reading. So chart reading topic is now complete. This is chart reading. This is not any other thing chart reading. This is the same chart reading, wick reading, how we, this wick shows the buyer pressure, this wick shows the seller pressure, this is wick below the candles shows the buyer's pressure, wick above the candles shows the seller pressure, color change shows the SNR levels, round number shows the SNR levels, this pattern shows the direction can be changed. So this is the chart reading. There is not any other thing in the chart reading. When you understand about the concept, about the look at it means one thing you recognize that this is the evening star. You can write down this is the evening star, this is morning star, this is bullish pin bar, this is inverted hammer. The first step is you recognize the levels and recognize the patterns. Your two steps complete. The third step is start retracement candles, reactions, actions. Fourth step, how to place a put trade, how to place a call trade. This is the fourth step. This is all about the chart reading. This is all about the uh, analysis. So how we can make the analysis on the chart. This will give you the hints. Look at on my this analysis. What is this in this? Just I say there is engulfing, there is a higher low, higher high concept, evening star, retracement candle, put trade, call option, piercing line, call option, engulfing, call. So this is the analysis. You know all. After a morning star, we wait for the retracement, then we place the call option. You know this is the chart reading. This is the candlestick chart analysis. There is no any other thing. All this highlight the support and resistance lines, highlight the areas where we can place a call option, we can place a put option. Then these things, when you analyze 4 to 5 chart, your accuracy slowly will increase. After that, you will be master in the chart analysis. That how you can analyze the chart. So this analyzing is a very simple thing. It's not any a game. This is just a simple. Okay. So after that, now trend reading.